Security engineering. Security engineering is the practice of designing, implementing, and maintaining secure systems to protect digital and physical assets from various threats. It involves applying engineering principles and methodologies to build systems that can withstand attacks, prevent data breaches, and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Security engineering covers a broad range of topics, including network security, cryptography, secure software development, risk management, and security operations, with the goal of creating robust systems that can detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents. Importance of security engineering. Security engineering is fundamental to safeguarding digital infrastructure, data, and services in today's interconnected world. With the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks, security engineering helps organizations protect their assets, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and build trust with customers and stakeholders. By applying principles of security design, proactive risk management, and continuous monitoring, security engineers are key in mitigating security risks and maintaining resilient systems. Principles of security engineering. Confidentiality ensures that sensitive data is only accessible to authorized individuals or systems. This is typically achieved through encryption, access controls, and other protective measures. Integrity ensures that data remains accurate and unaltered, preventing unauthorized modification. Techniques like hashing, digital signatures, and checksums are used to verify data integrity. Authentication verifies the identity of users or systems before granting access. Methods include passwords, biometric verification, and multi-factor authentication. Availability ensures that systems and data are accessible and operational when needed. This is achieved through redundancy, backup systems, and effective disaster recovery planning to ensure continuity during attacks or failures. Non-repudiation ensures that once an action or transaction has taken place, the responsible party cannot deny it. Digital signatures and logging are common techniques to provide non-repudiation. Key areas in security engineering. Network security. Network security is the practice of protecting the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data and services while ensuring proper access control to networks and their resources. It includes firewalls, intrusion detection systems, virtual private networks, and secure communication protocols like SSL/TLS. Secure software development. Secure software development, or secure coding, involves integrating security practices into every phase of the software development lifecycle. This includes identifying vulnerabilities, preventing security flaws, and performing regular security testing such as code reviews, static analysis, and penetration testing. Cryptography. Cryptography plays a key role in securing data in transit and at rest. It involves using encryption algorithms, digital signatures, and hash functions to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and manipulation. Access control. Access control mechanisms regulate who can access systems, data, and resources. This includes role-based access control, discretionary access control, and mandatory access control, ensuring that only authorized users can perform specific actions. Incident response and recovery. Security engineers develop incident response plans to quickly detect, contain, and mitigate security incidents like breaches or attacks. They also focus on recovery strategies to restore systems to normal operations with minimal downtime and data loss. Tools and technologies. Firewalls and IDS are critical components in protecting networks from external threats. Firewalls filter traffic based on predefined security rules, while IDS monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. Security information and event management systems collect, aggregate, and analyze data from various sources, helping security teams detect, investigate, and respond to security threats in real time. Public key infrastructure is a framework that manages digital keys and certificates for secure communication. It enables secure email, digital signatures, and SSL/TLS encryption for websites. Penetration testing tools like Metasploit, Burp Suite, and Wireshark are used by security engineers to identify vulnerabilities in networks and applications by simulating attacks. Challenges: security engineers must continuously adapt to the ever-changing threat landscape, including emerging cyber threats like ransomware, advanced persistent threats, and zero-day vulnerabilities. Designing secure systems often involves integrating multiple technologies and ensuring they work together without creating vulnerabilities. This complexity increases as systems grow and evolve. Humans remain the weakest link in security. Social engineering, phishing attacks, and poor security practices by users can undermine even the most technically secure systems. Security must be balanced with usability to ensure systems are not overly complicated or hinder user productivity. Striking this balance often requires careful design and regular user training. To summarize, security engineering is the practice of designing, building, and maintaining secure systems to protect data, networks, and critical infrastructure from cyber threats. It involves applying engineering principles to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Key areas of security engineering include network security, cryptography, secure software development, access control, and incident response. Despite its importance, security engineering faces challenges such as evolving cyber threats, human errors, and balancing security with usability.